50 points up on the Nifty. This is a good start, a very, very decent start, not far away from a record high once again. Wednesday morning, Thursday morning, we were looking at a different kind of a scenario. So thankfully, it looks like, based on the first rates, that bulls have an edge. 190 points up for the Sensex, 50 points up for the Nifty. The dips have been bought into, and I think that is very, very evident. State Bank of India, BOB, ITC, and then a whole host of earnings impact, and then you have to then we'll talk about Suzlon and GHCL. Whether the GHCL management will also join us a little later on the show. But Suzlon traders, well, they love that one, and that's looking strong. Bharat Bijli, another 7.5% up of Bharat Bijli. This entire power transmission space is turning around. I think there is very strong evidence for that. And now it's a 70-point uptick on the Nifty, 62-point uptick on the Nifty. So Tanvir, it was a manic Thursday. I mean, we're almost back at the recent highs, Tanvir.
Oh yes, indeed. Not too bad. Of course, the market is holding on to key levels, like Kuch highlighted. ITC is your top gainer, and that's not a surprise. It's 3% up on that one. Yes Bank, ICICI Bank have opened higher. Tata Motors, DVR, Tata Motors, despite the big sell-off that came in last week on a offloading stake in Tata Motors, we've seen a bit of a comeback ahead of earnings. Then there's of course Bank of Baroda, which is looking stronger. Axis Bank, the entire banking space actually is giving comfort to the market, and on balance is providing that cushion which is putting the market on the heels of 90. There's Wipro, which is a bit weaker, SBI as well. From the broader markets, Nikush pointed out Suzlon. So just want to mark PVR because we spoke with the management. That one is down 7%. So obviously the market is not fancying what this new tax incidence means for profitability of PVR and how they rework their numbers on that front. You have some of the other names such as the PNG, which is illiquid but seeing a lower open. Gillette also seeing a lower open of about 1%. Infra is down about nearly 5%. Among other key gainers, aside of Suzlon, which is a primary mover, there's Punj Lloyd, which has been active. Reliance Defense, which has picked up a few points. Mothers and Sumi is the other one that we wanted to talk about. So that one opens higher. I just want to also mark in some more names such as SCI and Sangam India. SCI, of course, on the Baltic Dry Index, which is fallen considerably, so about 1.5% falling out on SCI. And Sangam India, I think there was some block deal there, so about 1% higher for that company, that stock. Muthoot Finance holding out 3%.